name is John Werner. I live in central Pennsylvania. I got LeafFilter a few months ago, and I also had my spouting replaced at the time by them. And we just recently had a big rainstorm that lasted a while, and it was nice to see water not running off places that it's not supposed to. And the system worked quite well. The installers did a great job of cleaning up after themselves and removing all the old spouting. The guy that came and talked to me was very nice and informative, and I did find the system online looking around and chose them. So it was a wonderful thing, and I'm very pleased and happy with the job that was done in the spouting I now have. It really made a good improvement on the house, and I'm just very happy with everything.